10 heart disease prevention foods you should eat regularly to prevent heart disease. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, ischemic heart disease, or coronary artery disease, is the #1 killer globally, and it is responsible for 16% of the world's total deaths. And second on that list is stroke and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Think about that for a minute. And also, according to the CDC, about 1 in every 4 deaths in the United States is caused by heart disease. However, this is an entirely preventable condition if you commit to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Among the most important things you can do is fill your menu with foods proven to support optimum heart health. Heart disease kills, and this list of foods can help you save your life. Learn about every one of them and include them in your daily diets. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Following are 10 foods you should eat regularly to prevent heart disease. 1. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy fats as well as many other phytonutrients that support cardiovascular health. An analysis published by Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2013 covered 8 different studies that confirmed the positive health effects of avocado consumption. Your best option is the Hass variety, which is popular in California. 2. Berries. According to a study published by Nutrition Reviews in 2010, berries are an essential part of a heart-healthy diet. They are a good source of polyphenols that serve as potent antioxidants, fiber, and many beneficial micronutrients. Although they're more challenging to find, your best options are black raspberries, chokeberries, and bilberries. 3. Cacao. Cacao contains powerful antioxidants that limit free radical damage and boost cardiovascular health. This was the conclusion of a study review published by the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology in 2009. According to the review, it is mainly the flavonols in cacao that offer significant protective effects. So, to gain the best impact of this food, your best options include cacao nibs and high-percentage dark chocolate. 6. Fresh herbs. Fresh herbs are nutrient-dense foods you can easily add to your meals to improve taste and health benefits. These have long been used in traditional medicine for antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits. Fresh parsley is one of your best options for protection against heart disease. A study review published by the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine reveals that fresh herbs are rich in phytochemical compounds, which has proven medicinally to have positive effects on the heart. 5. Leafy greens. Like fresh herbs, leafy greens offer plenty of protection against heart disease. In fact, according to a study led by researchers from Australia's renowned Edith Cowan University, making sure you eat at least 1 cup of leafy greens every day significantly lowers your risk for all types of heart disease. Your best options include fresh kale and spinach. 6. Organ meats. While not a very popular source of proteins, organ meats are packed with healthy nutrition. In fact, they are rich in B vitamins and a good source of minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. Among your most beneficial and possibly your most palatable option are livers, which you can get from chicken, pork, or beef. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are the best sources of good fats that you need to support optimum heart health. In fact, according to a study published by Nutrients in 2010, nuts are not just rich in fatty acids, but also antioxidants that help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk for severe inflammatory conditions. To gain the best effects, opt for walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia. 8. Oatmeal. Whole grains, especially oats, are among the most beneficial foods you can eat to keep cholesterol low and reduce your risk for heart disease. A study published by Scientific Reports in 2019 shows that consuming plenty of oatmeal reduces the risk for cardiovascular disease, and protects against future attacks in people who have already experienced heart failure. 9. Edamame. Edamame is an immature soybean popular in Asian cuisine, and they are best eaten steamed or boiled and lightly salted. According to a study published by Nutrients in 2017, soy proteins have always been known to offer plenty of health benefits. However, edamame is primarily known for improving cardiovascular health markers and is recognized as one of the world's most valuable functional foods. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in beta-carotene, lycopene, flavonoids, and many other vitamins and minerals. According to a study review published by Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, it is one of the best foods you can add to a cardioprotective diet. It protects against heart disease and clears up arteries, and reduces the risk for stroke. These 10 heart disease prevention foods will help you reduce your risk for coronary artery disease and heart attacks. They also have numerous other health benefits, like improving digestion and brain health. By increasing your intake of these foods, you won't just live longer, but also enjoy a healthier and more active life. Following are study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.